Welcome to my Fakeaway series, where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking this banging fiery jerk chicken. And don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. For best results, this has to be cooked over charcoal, so this is the perfect one for cooking up on your barbecue. Let's start by making the jerk marinade. All of the amounts are listed down in the caption, so don't panic, but get it into your blender along with as many Scotch bonnets as you can possibly handle and blitz up until smooth. Season up your chicken, then pour over that marinade. Trust me, you're gonna need gloves for this one. Scotch bonnet in the eye is not a pleasant experience. Marinate the chicken for as long as you can, but the longer the better to allow the flavour to develop. I've set up my barbecue for indirect cooking so that the chicken doesn't have direct contact with the flame just yet. Chuck in a few wood chips for that extra smoky flavour, then pop your chicken onto the grill. Finally, we're going to finish the chicken over the hot charcoal to get that beautiful char. Give it a good spray with some Jamaican lager and make sure you finish the rest off with your dinner. Now, if you don't have a barbecue or you're up against time, you can do this in the air fryer, but trust me, please try it over the charcoal because that is the way. Serve this up with some rice and peas and some coleslaw. What would you like to see me cook next in the Fakeaway series? Absolutely banging.